Hello, welcome to Lakeland's Holden University Center. I am Director Christina Willey. For many years, the community requested that Lakeland Community College find a way to provide access to higher education on our campus. So, in 2011, Lakeland Community College built the Holden University Center, a state-of-the-art facility located directly across from Lakeland's main entrance, where students can complete a bachelor's and graduate degree from a variety of leading colleges and universities. Today, we offer 23 bachelor degree programs, 14 graduate degree programs, 7 graduate certificates and endorsements, and 1 doctoral program from 11 university partners. Classes are taught by Holden University Center partners, and graduates receive their degrees from the college or university of their degree program. The degree is the same as if students completed the program at the four-year campus. Partnership students are also afforded all of the same services and amenities on campus that are available to Lakeland students. Tuition and fees for the degree programs are determined by the university partner, but on average, students can save over $20,000 in tuition costs. The Holden University Center provides a wonderful opportunity for community members and Lakeland students to continue their college education. Working people who want to change directions or advance their present careers find an ideal way to obtain the credentials they need with the convenience of staying close to home. Are you thinking of earning a bachelor's or graduate degree? Visit our website at lakelandcc.edu/UC or sign up for one of our monthly Holden University Center Night information sessions offered the last Wednesday of each month at 6 p.m. You'll hear about degree programs from our partners and learn how you can take the next steps to getting started today.